Welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to make some banana pumpkin fritters. First, you will need some ripened bananas, the ones with the brown spots on them. You are now going to peel the bananas and add them inside of the bowl. You will now add in 1 cup of granulated brown sugar. Now you will add in a half cup of white granulated sugar. You are going to mix it in together with a fork. Just smash it all up. As you see what I'm doing right now. Just smash it all in. Smash it, smash it, smash it until it get mushy. It should look like this when you are done smashing it all in together. Now you are going to add in some ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground allspice, and a little bit of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste, along with a pinch of salt. And you're just going to mix it all in together to combine the flavors together. The consistency should be looking like this. Now I am going to add in 1 cup of flour. If you would like yours to be thicker, you can add in a half cup more of flour, or if you like it thin, you can just leave it as the 1 cup of flour. It all depends on what you like and how thick or thin you will want yours to be. This is the consistency of how I like mine to be. I ended up adding in just a little bit more of flour for my husband's liking. And I'm just going to mix it all in. Now it's at its right consistency. Sometimes I like to add in a little bit of milk. I'm not really sure what it does, but I just do it and it comes out perfect. Now I am going to fry it on each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it is done. And this is how I make my banana fritters. Enjoy! Because I love to cook.